Nvidia stock is gaining momentum again lately after the company reported fantastic quarterly earnings results, and trade tensions are easing as President Donald Trump held a meeting with his counterpart in China, announced a deal with the United Kingdom, reduced reciprocal tariffs, and so optimism from stock market investors has been increasing, and that's benefited Nvidia stock. But what about longer term? Where will Nvidia stock be several years from now? More specifically, where will Nvidia's stock price be in the year 2030? That's the question I'm going to answer in this video by conducting a scenario analysis to determine where I think Nvidia's stock price will be by the end of 2030. I'll share with you all of the numbers, the assumptions, and the estimates I'm using to make this stock price prediction, so you can follow along and see for yourself if you think my prediction is too optimistic, too pessimistic, or if it's right on point. All right, so now let's get into the stock price prediction, and I'll start with sharing with you the estimates that I'm using to make this stock price prediction. And I'm getting these numbers again, as you can see from FinChat. The first number I'm going to need is Nvidia's 2028 earnings per share estimate. Now, this is an estimate from the Wall Street analysts that are following Nvidia stock, and they believe the company will deliver $6.57 in earnings per share in its fiscal year 2028. And that would be an increase of 14.7% from the year prior. The analysts on Wall Street are forecasting. All right, so now that we have the numbers we need from FinChat, I can jump into my spreadsheet where I've made several scenarios, forecasted earnings, and conducted an analysis for where I think the stock price will be. Let's start up top here for 2028, the earnings per share estimate. Remember, $6.57. That's the number I got from FinChat. This was a collection of the Wall Street analysts that are following Nvidia stock and what they believe Nvidia will deliver in earnings per share. So for my prediction for the year 2030, I would normally need the earnings per share for 2031 because I'm using the 1 year forward price to earnings ratio. So I need the earnings per share in 2031 to make my prediction for 2030. Click the link below to watch the full video.